Chire na woro mahwe sebe ya ekwan so kusekusa ekwan so dwodwodwumedie no ebekọ nkan sebe ya nkwanhia wo de ekoso asantemantam mu no eso betumi atie.
Manager Edema 21 Educational Complex akasa HM Saya Galamse no koso ewo mpatam honom nam so mamofra no entimi enko school.
Ensama no pina na ka ho a yesi nkonya besoma nimne se enumre no nsia kase wo dia ha ne nsia echiripo enkron kasa fidie so na yeguso eka mo sem prampram afahye ne guso a ekoso yato din sem Fast Trade Cultural and Food Festival na Fast Trade and so prampram nananom atene kunyina dwumadi esi o mosere so ana ne fie de atwam ene pa hontoma yeguso yekoya ni mam nanam se ne eye August 21st 2026 inteno ene die no dwumadi atodwa no eye rap and singing competition ene wachi so artist night and to 4 pm ba ehonom ebe ya kono papa na ye kam se ngopọ ya atoma 22nd August no ene be DJs on rotation and afin so eating competition DJs nbaba pi na we bakakra na okọ na we yapa na we kọ na we yapa ene wachi so uju hu di se onuma didie ntentem a kokopiem na utumedi adidie ne munkunim a obeja butire na ya sanso achewade de apeso de kwasi ada so ebe ye homecoming celebration na enya semkuma yankopọ ya atoma adwada bai ekopem ni fiada so no ehọ de ebehuru pam ene se bedi dwa chencherenche ye beka ne se market sales all day every day 24-hour economy de opesa okoton wa opesa okotoko prampram if is a hono mafahye no emu de pam etodwo prampram Anglican Park memi kobi bo ahone ye nyina yenkopie mu ase.
Weekend na ane awuramu na ya de nhyemude bebre na ebekoso ebi beye ayefro bi nso beto omo bedin ebi ebeye birthday parties na nini na echi na ya de obehia nsu a ode beso ma ohwo ensu nso de wo serve a na wo serve papa ni omo no ma omo nipadua betimi aye adwuma ye na FDA nso ede ne stamp ede asisu se no aneye enu nti ana make for Lumba super ede ama Lumba super ne so ba DLFM ya premises anoma onsa ebetimi akebi sanso na open dodo atu atonde ane wa frame penny 40549 889 and 0549436616
na yegusua eka mo se o mayimu ope adwumaku a wonom ede live band ede dwuma papa wo mayimu dia na ye kanfo eye fail group band na ma wo na ye ka se fail group band na ye live band papa chese odi du dwuma dia wani beje ho yi pam ye wan motofo mo ni mote enwum bia sie ni moto ene ye sanso instrumentalist am ene beat bia mu ni mbo kama pam ente bia na wo ye wedding eye na wo ye anase udi wa woda birthday party bi na wo ye anam wa wo ba ena otutin anase bia na graduation bi wasua adwuma wo pon ho anase nsore nhyiamudi ahodo a mo behia live band de ye kanfo eye field group band if izo mo fidi na ye papa pam na opa ye chi akwan a ye wotema community 22 Bauro so inside honom ena behuri yem ya homa trofo no eye 0242 965 391 0242 965 391 ana 0541 149 741 ya bo nso da form pass na nanom enantie we na adwuma ku anim asase yentena se na yemfa enumre no nsia kase we mo kire mu no emesom akenkanfo benu ayase nkonwa no edi ameje so yo wofa ose ade yo de wanf at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mahutedin ene bantwere bona na otafrija mene mo fa seba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ye dan ya ho ye ba ya de kase bo no ekire mu ankasa ebesom
DL News.
Yamamo akwaba afitu mlika ndeshia yen WhatsApp Facebook no se na fi YouTube na yemfa kasebo no ekiri mankasa ensem ya sha kasebo na se e de free my Ghana eposifo akache na Ghana Post Service ade nkrata ababonten akase ekirim sem enipa bi akwakobokro no emanam ne sente no eposifo tu no atumi akasa emu pode basam meka say wonom ayatwede yampon yankopon edia emu ba akwede eposifo atumi ache no e wo me na nipa yi ekwa wi asika botene 430,000 Ghana cedis aka ne sikam yabeka ne say 4.3 million Ghana cedis 4.3 billion ena mkwa wi aye edi free mobile money vendors mienu nchen e wo bupe eye castle market I don't know what savana mantem nim na posifu ankata no ba bonten on Facebook page ewo nefia day eye osanabo so me to so de nu ba ko na posifu echirem sem asem wei esiyem ewo dwum boso metwa mu na da to so aduonu nkron ewo mfempe mienu na aduonu ensia mum na wade mu chirem sei akwafutotu amwei emra wo mokọ na mo nam pode ba na nipa form na mo konso mbo mo yepapa mo ko boss akronin na posifu ne chirem so man kwa ne sapan enti wonom edi eye pump action gun etu a ebetumi ato bebre na no omo de mienu 2 ene koye ene wachi AK47 assault rifle bi su kan ho a wo ma omoden ekoto shem mobile money vendors mienu so a wo ma omoden ekoto wonom so awirem na asem we si yepe ene omanga na police ahina mekire inspector general of police ebo omoden ena otu mrantewa omo ya police fo sem wo ma omoden fo woni fa nkire mu am no mo kopie mu no mo nkwankoboa savannah Mantam no police command no wenhwem mapa emfanfa sa akro no boi ehom na police for nhwem no beda the same owura ba kwa wanya mfinhia no aduonu enwotwem de den ya beto dwa Yakuba Uma na mkoche no ewo ye surunuase eno no ewo Bono East Mantam nim ewo kita wonsabo so metwa wonde neto so aduonu miensa na mo kire mi sei hwehwema mo ye nya mo nko ambo moden etimi hwehwe mu saa na no na boa ya ema kentampo divisional police command beka ho a owura yi wona msa etumi eka nom na police ni kirem se emra omochi Uma no waje tum se ye nokre kronobo ne de wabo na mom enya ono nko a one nipa pode basa na mo kan wa kroni wonom epom ne okirem a de odi kan den adem Yakubu Sedu dodo afa ne se baba de taso emienum eye Abdullahi Aziz yaya ono se dodo na ebo na mra ne se ato de taso emiensa na basa no eye Abdullim bupe dodo afa ne se ato omo kan na kro no bei etimi ekoso na portfolio kirem se eba ne sana mo se dabi ye ma modern yan hwehwem mapa na ye mfamfa sa na motu ya emrante wei atu ehum na portfolio kirem se officers omo bo adwumaden awa tebubu afensu surunuase anafia kokko ekwa ho akopie mu dawadawa omo bo modern hwehwem hunu se akronfo ne de akode no kɔbɔ okro na kwa akosie tomo modern akohwehwe na mko hu se yes eye nokre omo de akosie ampa na mra postifo kopie akronfo no so no eho na kwaye toma mento ene yakwaje tapam postifo page atu to pe na akronfo na to fi se etu a ekitia postifo no akronfo no kita the same thing na nya semukuma kram enam etututu ekoso nte no etu ka akronfo no mu ba kwa ne den ede Yakubu Sedu mamunu ho do ma ohwere ne nkwa ene wachi nso Abdullahi Aziz yaya etu ka no ema ne firimu ana afi nso Omaru Amedu saa nipa pode basam na wonom eka akronfo no ho no etu aka o meka sei wonom ato ya nom ewonse dom na Ghana Police Service enkata ne kirem sem womo de nipa pode basan amu akwakoma eye motwe sempenifo ntraso mo de yan papa na mo hwe de ntia nam so a ade hie etumi efirimum na police ne kirem sei tutu no kwa wieye no omo nsa kan pump action gun chesen ne etu boba etumi tu bebre na eye BB cartridge no omunya parapol enum a akromfo yato de abokro no na nya semukuma kram na police ne kirem sei owura ba kwa mudi kan chi no no bo hwem mapa akwaso ani den ade Yakuba Uma no sesi ameka sei odaso ewo posifo aka che wo hwem mapa etimi akwaso de fa sa akro no boi esensem emum na posifo sei yemfanto omaga na de hye nyina nim sei wona mo gusu hwehwem efiriso owura ba kodi de abetodwa sei ode Alhaji Yakuba na dodo abona mane se eye masaji anase mumen anase Yakubu wo mu chem se open no bo no homoden etimi ebo akromfo yi pa sei enipa bi eye mo ba manisika hye na taso butam monko jemla na ye nche na ye nyina ye mobla na ye feeling fam etimi ka se police focus hwe no ma che no na boa se ba ye akro no ahodo ekoso e wasa na mantemu no wo mbetimi achi wore mu nyina meka se sika botene 430,000 ana akromfo na we police focus a wonom etuhu anamon eno ne nkrata numre efi o Ghana Police Service akachi aba yade mo nchiremu esomo
Yantua Kasiabone so na Zoom Lion Ghana Limited ashasia edindro kumemwa egu eye edwemu ene MMDAs baye duonu nkran no ewo nkran bupni mantem hanom efa eye nsuyira esi ye ewo manyimu eye aye omabosomi ne de toso aduonu nkno ewo mfempemienu ene aduonu nsia imusa ne baye no so betimi abo na yarewa odo a eno so no apeja ne mu no betimi abre na se sa indro yi ebe kumintontom eye nwasna ne moa ahodo a mo no ena mo so ema eye yarewa ahodo ne so no etimi eba na bro mo ne semchofo etwetwe nkomo enefiada eye osana abosomen ne de toso aduonu baako ana Zoom Lion eye Greater Accra Regional Manager Ricky Anoche Frimpon ekasa na oche musa ya dia campaign na fato mo so ebeye sa exercise we na timi aboa sa na ebeye ahonidi ehusem enso no ebetimi akoso ewo man mu esa sense yira esi ye ewa ye oma waboso ne de toso aduonu nkuno no eya ade anipa bebre na no majapade omunnwuma hodo na etimi eseye enu ntina so mo so etimi boa sa na ebeye a ahonsiesie ne ahonidi ehusem so no betimi akoso ye na atimemfo no so apomudin etimi akoso enu nti na campaign ni so na fato mo so di nro kum eyamo amoa no begu monten so etimi aboa na mo so no esi yarewa anokwan.
Besides that, Zoom Lion is taking it upon itself. That's the chief executive of Zoom Lion, the executive chairman, as well as the MD. Mentioned or in a way have it at the mind that we need to give back to the society as a social, our corporate social responsibility to help our citizenry, especially the MMDAs in Greater Accra and the whole country as a whole. So Greater Accra has 29 MMDAs, of which we are taking it upon ourselves to disinfect every place to help contain the microorganisms that in a way ran through as a result of the flood. And here that we are also trying to make sure that we curtail the flies, the mosquitoes, and all those in this place.
Eni ya uti ye Ricky Anoche Frimpon wono ana ye Zoom Lion for Greater Accra Regional Manager.
Yantoa kasebo no so ene yenyina mu wosoafo no man ohwe yakwan ene yakwantempon ensemsem so ne den edoniminyamfo Kwame Gavins Abuja na odensem atodwa echiremisem aban ayekrato se enche biam odnipa benu a wonom ye quantity surveyors ebekwa kopie mu ewo economic and organized crime office ayetweditia eka ne se Yuroku efri say wonom etu anamu bia emfamra kwan so kram adish opening chirem say sadisha wo moden a ekwan ahodo a aban eyi ewa santemantemu no chese konongo kwantempo no hono de no aye nsempi na nipa yi atena wo moden a akoka kire nipa wonom ho aka ewa akwan na mu yie ne ho efri say na wonom fie omagapade ebe kwan no ena aban ama nipa besusu kwan ne kama bia ya ase no ena aban atwa sikode ba ma wonom a mo ho akan na nipa ya fa kire akaka kire ade hye yi say osere wonom ada sika na abade ma wo mo no eye kete mampode esenedwie eba pampam ti sa sika we omoje a entumi mo omoda achekura entomunyai na monka nkyira aba ne say sa sika na mo mpe entom pese ni paafro besusu na ono di sika ni bi ka ho na sika ni mo yedu say chema wuntumi chen enwu ye pika say premier ne abomum na no ntumi boa sabe ya sika o menye mo bepi na omo so ma kosu na nya bi atumi adim no ne menyamfo Abuja echirem say adenti na sabi o menyu nipa bi nipa bonfo se free sem adenti na mutu sa na moyi e ka homa ne adwumaden aban epo so obehwe na kwantempon watumi atwama na tom hurom na ko ne ba hu sense ma kon kan no enipa bi adwumade no delay nko na ekoso sam o kirem say yam fanto Ghana fu anim mo amutututu sa na mo ne nyina no munya anifre sa aboa wo fi sa na mo na mutu no yade am ebetumi aha aban ene hyehyɛ yahoto a oyem na onuminyamfo ne sɛ tu dwamra okokopie mu awa santemantemu na kwantempon da mu yi wa santemantemu mekire asphalt omutwa so kotatum na aboa na ne dema ekoye fi yase ekopie mu osewua abanya sabe no mu yi ne kama no na ode nsem we tu dwa no kirem sem eye Kofi Job na oye contract adwuma no oyi akwan no minyamfo Abuja ede adesere ede ato adehye mo ho aka ne se osere wo mo ada abanya hye mapa enti waka kire mpefe sei sika ode mo no beso mo pam enti obesere so biba mo naso be ka kire mo sei osimesi abase sika ni sua enti ma nte ase na adwumaden aban na ye no entwensanya osere mo ada mmode na mo ne aban ko benkrum se be beboa na na muntu aban no tu no watunya bo magana kwantufo ye ho aheha yen ode nsem sei ene tu dwa wasante mantem.
I also want to thank all the project affected persons who worked with us on both the Accra Kumasi Expressway and these works to make sure that we smoothly value and pay compensation as the law demands. But we are also taking the opportunity to appeal to some citizens of ours who, anytime we do projects like this and the relevant agencies go to take the inventory, evaluate, put values on those properties for compensation under the law, some people in our country approach those people and tell them, don't accept the values that are being given to you. We can give you 4, 5, 6 times the amount that government is offering you. And so they sometimes encourage the people to go to court to put an injunction on the projects. As a result, we have lost so much money, and sometimes the projects are delayed needlessly because of the behavior of some of these people. We are appealing to people of that character to desist from what they are doing. They are not helping anybody, neither are they helping the property owners. The people who value these properties from Ghana Highway Authority, Urban Road and others are the same surveyors. They went to the same school. How come when they finish their evaluation, somebody comes and tell the project affected people, I can get you 4 times that amount of money? How are you going to arrive at that? And the simple reason is that the percentage of money that goes to those people depends on how much they promise the people they can get it. So the higher they jack up the price, the money, the more money they get. We are
ene ya woti ye yo nimnyamfo ne den ede kwame Agboja Gavins na owie ne wasan kire mu sem yamfa nto adehye amowo konongo ene mu se osere mo pam abanyi guso na oye oman Ghana efre nkran ebe Kumasi kwantempon na enipa bi aye omo ho hintadu akira kromfo a wonom etatai contractor oyi kwan Kofi Job omo tata na pam ode na kan dia to yaporo mafa ene ma ode ye adwuma no mawia chese mo mma na han kra ma ne ntenwe o kire mu sem na so ye ene oman Ghana ho bamboko beka bum na nipa akoto a sabi mutu sa ne mo mache mo frize sabi wo kwa sentimentem kodu eye konongo ba pass wonom a traffic a chenya adewa na aban boa na dwumadie na konkama kwantufo ho atoye ne a na motata won e ka sei.
We haven't seen any significant problem with Accra Kumasi Expressway. The problem currently is the bypass because Kofi Job is supposed to be working on one of the sections. His workers turned up on site recently to continue the work, and people turn up with guns to assault the workers. Yes, the Konongo bypass. And all those people who are part of that, you should know that the state is bigger than you. We say the state is bigger than all contractors. Definitely, the state is bigger than anybody whose land is being taken. We are not taking anybody's land forcefully without compensation. So all those people who are impeding work on the Konongo bypass, because currently, if you were to try to go to Accra now, one of the most difficult sections to go through is the Konongo bypass.
Any awuti ye aya sofo no eno hwe manga ne yakwan ene akwantempon ensem esom. The den odo numinyamfo Gavins Kwame Abuja.
Wa kasia bone so na DLFM eden sema tuja echemu se ade omode shepa egu akwa mu se ne be ya driver's license no betimi aprinte our regional offices a ebe hu na cha eche bi kra timi de bosume be ye nso ebitimi kwa afe nini na no betimi etwa so na ebe boa ama won so no se regional office bi ebe wa ene wunya koya na chesoma ye print no etimi ede ama na omode nsemi ede tuja wa bra na omu bie eye DVLA office wa amre hia eno wa Adenta municipality nim omu bia no foforo na chese no so no etimi abo adwuma ye ede amatimemfo no ana eye chief executive edema DVLA Julius Nikwe Kote ene samchofo twetwe nkomo ana oche mu sese adwuma die we ebeboa ye papa pen de wo office open no etimi akono akoprint se ko basa o card bi kra yida na sa wo pese onko na omu replace enfema wasada na wo yo betimi aye ede ama na emom sa afei ana wo kwa akwaya license ne foforo de na hye so se bo so memiensa ntem se ne dada na mo ye na sa pepepe ana mo beye etimi ede ama na emom se card na yira ana wo pese okono mu twama wo de ne o betimi aye sa print no ede ama sa da na mo hye ne so se de ade o mo hye se wo regional officer ben ubia na onsa ebetimi akawo license na nya afei ana wo betwen akọ head office ansa na no so na timi adibosumi nso afe ansa na won so wonsa etimi akawo license.
Every station, every office in Ghana, we have one centralized point to print life form. and that is the head office. We have only 2 machines, 20 for the whole Ghana. Now we are doing digitalization so that every office of the authority of DLA can print their own license. Then the situation where someone comes for a license takes 7 months, 1 year before he or she gets it, should be a thing of the past. So every office like digitalizing now, we go to the machine, we'll share it for you, we are waiting for the system to add to it. Every office will now print, but we are printing instant for only replacement of cards. When your 6 years have expired, we will now print for you instant. But when you're coming for new license, you have to go to the 3 months before you get your card. That is ISO, it goes beyond Ghana. It's international standard.
DLFM 106.9.
Eni ya uti ye chief executive at the DVLA Julius Nikwe Kote.
Yantoa kaseyebo no so na yenyina mu ewo man Ghana. Ya sante mantemu ne yenkoso adi nkomo emfanfa ahyenkafo ehom. Na meka sei amansia wet mensin no wa sante mantemu. A mensin no ewo modern atenase. Apaw abadwoku a emu nipa ne ye pode poro nkron 9. So modern ena mensin na no na wono hwe ekwanse kusekuse. Ene ekwanse jojo emra emo hu daguru na mo ne ahyenkafo no emo modern eninsa wo so bra no na mo nkyekere won se betumi aboa ne nkwanhia wo do ekọ asante mantemu no eso betumi atem na abadwoku ampenifo atem na wo modoso ye papa emu fififire ne aso ye pii e wa sante mantemu a wo mkaka bom aboa se be yam nkyekere be kọso ya kwanso amanse west mensin ma sante mantemu na boa ne nkwanhia eso etumi atem na empenifo a mugire mu ebo adwumade ahwema sa adwumade atodwanom district coordinators eka hom traditional leaders nanana matrenkunwa eka ho pim motor traffic and transport department MTTD empenifo commander etechire and afin so Ghana National Fire Service fire service no otumi jadwuma yoku no etechire and afin district medical director etechire bi openipo no no dapo mudi anu wo mensenem etechire de ne anya sebukuma kram Sansana National Ambulance Service and afin Ghana Education Service and afin kra district engineer and of Information Services Department etechire dwumadie enye asemukuma kram na mano openipo na ya district coordinating director and of his onukura na ya chairman edema committee no Mr. Thomas Okra Kwame one nsentwerefo kasa na ochirim sem anamonto wei na mensin no etu na wonom aya nkyerɛkyerɛ ede ama adehia wonom ewo amansia west mensinim awa sentimentemu sebe ya beboa na ahyenkafo asabe omonam kwanso a dodo no ema akwanso mra eho enya adwuma efenso ekwanso kosekose eho mra no omoba na nya adwuma no omatumi nkyerɛkyerɛ ahodo esafata ama wonom gyirem sem wohwɛ ahyenkafo ni bi enem bia monom ko moni paduam insaden eduba kobane nom notice ti achi na oda na kofa nkwanhia ede aba hyenkani bia ya adwuma saa na dwumu wonada ni nyina ya de ka ho pam enti abonte a omuti asie no omukɔbɔ adwumaden enya tataye enya hwehwɛ na momu no omukɔ akɔyɛ nkyerɛkyerɛ safata ede ma ahyenkafo no na wa woyɛ hyenkani ne wantie nkɔmɔtwetwam no bedie na wanni mmara so de saa wo so no ma na nya adwuma de a Omega namra ede obeto o level Mr. Thomas Okra Kwame nkomo no emu nkyere mu no enie
Another Ambanse West District Assembly District Road Safety Committee and Ghana Road Safety Authority and Regional Road Safety also inaugurating the District Road Safety Committee Ambanse West District Assembly opposition for the MTT and I war and renim for Nina for those. In the end, you put an idea, Yedikan, Yabaya sensitization and education. Sabi, you be dinkitan. Yatch the name Munaya Momo, Niama would do a delinquency, but and can't the district Mupadi, and Quasiado one or Kadafon, Motofon, the Omuna records from the medical hospital and other district health directorate. Any Ghana police indicate this, no door so time, car, and if a woman airport fiasco. You identify groups in India, you know, Kadafon, Pragia you know, medical anesthesia. They are telling them no matter. They are telling my question. And no, it's so be here and from Sobia, Nayama and Brano, my client, to me at the Nipa, a poko through the principles. A future Medina, honorable DC, honorable Morris, many things, and name, any district road safety committee, no, Indiana Mudiama, Yaya, non passion in an say. free neko ye ne regional police command the kwai ya tokesa e brano ye betina e kwan so na ya check one year sabe wodi mu bone ne nsa en e drive nam e kwan so itimi dia kwasi aba wo mu so wo mu twika aba se da dia wo se bi slow down ana ko bra no odi almost all of the near may be SCC akwan ho ne akwan mu a emmoa maka enkwose de ebeko boko na de ya benti etu enyina ye wonfo say you say if you drink don't drive and they say they drink no brother wonfo and na smoking ne you say sniffing and you red ne ba kon bi wo mo bobo bi sa wo mo ya na wo mo ni so na moto yi wuti so moto ye mo ne na ye mu
eno achi eno owura okra Kwame Thomas ekire mu say we de obesrada nana na watre nkonwa ene mo amaka bie wom omaga na hyenka forma mo hwe ahyenka fo so wo manyimu titiri no mo amowo amanse wese bense ne mu sem mo mmode anta adwumade we yachi na mo wasabe ya nkwanhia no eso betumi ate wo amanse wese bense ne okire mu sem nkwanhia sisi o manyimu ni so spo pi na depa abusua bi yabo efiri se wono mo de hwe okoba abusua nya bidie no obi hyenkani bi mfum so nti abusua ni nyina wu nti obesra da anamopo mutu enyina we nipa ho ba mmɔ epira nipa bi pira nam kwanhia ho nti na mutu sa na moyin obi anta kire bi na obi ana fam de ne mo asaba ya ɔha hodo wa ekoso na nipa wo mu wuo efa kwanhia so amanse westminster wa santemantemu no eso betumi ehwan
nananom atrankunya a wo mu wo entertainment Treasury Council for ewoso na MTTB commander eye Ghana police wo nso ewoso ye wo fire service ye wo ambulance and ye wo Ghana education service and so medical superintendent and as district health directorate any media information service NCC ibutaye no ni se fa nipa ko nyina no se kwansiasi a obi wo mu dwumadi bi nti ene no yisi ya no na wo se emre kakra ni se mainstream anom na enye dwuma nti ene na yesia na ya activity I no great wo mu a ye hwe ni mu se afi nkwa wie no ye ne woni a driverfo woni a wo mu wotunton ka ho ne ma fitafo ene yen to a yen yetu kwan no driver groups and unions ye bedin kita wona edema hodo no bi wo mu a ye betimi aye beba akwansi am akofo mu a timi etu timi etu ma no
ene ya wuti ye ono yo pani pa mprempren uba wura mu awa manse westminster ni mam mense na pound say ono enkwada committee ana bedwaku amuka kohwe ma ekwan so kosekwese ne ya kwan so mena so dia ye adwuma na nkwanhie so ate o manse ni mu no ena wote ni ono ene wo ye district coordinating director ono kura yen so na ye chairman etema abedwaku ne den de Mr Thomas okra Kwame ena wote ni nkan
Yentoa kasiabone so ne enkosoa engineer mu ewa santimantema na manager Edemato 21 educational complex ewo manso dato no ewo eya Manse South Mensini ni mu Mr Yakubu Sampa akasa echemu se eye galamse no koso ewo mpotamo nam so ma school mo frano ayo ma ajensa nya dia school ne di omobeko na no so emboa ama humesua ene ade kire wonsam so no entimi enkoso ye no di nsemi editu dwawa bra school no a third graduation ceremony a speech and prize giving day ekoso anati medajumedi ni so a celebrating achievements inspiring futures honoring our graduates building tomorrow's leaders today and no any team and actors a dajumedi ni so na okasa anoche musa wo hweda pa mofra no embe school anachese ye fiada ene achechefo no obekona se class a eye school fo no eye aduonu no ebedu Friday obekona school fo edupe ana ewo honom eno so ehadwe egbasa na chechefo ne so no muntimi enkyere mofra na de ye na mo so no akoye dadwen etimi ede amawom no san so esre mofra ne so mommodian momani enkomadisua no muntwe mo ho enfenfri galamse ne we san sa abofra de enka wo de ni so obesua de se ne be ya daache onso wabrabo ebetimi akoso ye na wo de wani ato galamse so ebedu fiada onko school no akwa galamse site se wo so wo kwa akoto efom agudie de eno krampo no hwanpo anache mofra ne sento mommode ahen so mani ebetimi akomadisua na wo sra so se abai ebetimi abaye o makwan no etimi ede ama wo esan se kwan no enya kra galamse no ama o kwan no enye ntini mofra ne krampo na enya ade o maye o maje se o mo so ebefa kwan ne so etimi akọ school
Today is we had our third graduation today on campus. Most of the students did well. Those who were performing, they did well. Those who also learned, they did well. Now, today is just 3 who have completed. Our school did very well. From the education of it, we are saying that our school is the best in terms of this district. We have 1-6, we have 8, we have 9. The rest were 12, 11, and 15. So it means that we are doing well. And so it means that learning or hard work based, if you learn hard, at least you get the benefit. So as they have completed and they are going to the junior secondary school, my advice to them is that if you go there, you have good friends, you have bad friends. If you know the people that they should move with. If they go and move with bad friends, they will lead them astray. Some people go there, they drink tramol, they tend to be smokers. That will not help them. If they want their future to be bright, they should focus on their books, then hard, and certainly in future, they'll see the reward. That's how.
Ene ya uti ye Mr. Yakubu Sampo no ana ya manager Edema 21 Educational Complex ewo manso dato no eno ewo Manse South mensni ni mu na eno achi ana head teacher Edema 21 Educational Complex Mr. Felix Yeboa esra ban so momodian no mo so private schools no asense ne be ya kobase omo che textbooks ane niam ahodo eboa ama huma so atimi koso omo so no ensa ebetimi akabesa so omo obo mo homodin ye pa hese adesua wonsem so no ebetimi akoso ewo man mu
Ano, ni wusu no. I was so as Miss Newbury, our talent is big brain, IFM, yes, the last 2 years, Eba, the BC, I acquire the the famous and from the men, only agreements, especially this Yakrano, and Craig BC, in a single numbers, the day that you cross your boss 6 months, all subjects need not be 1 out, and I did the same. It's a performance for so almost all management and educational conference and it's better. So I was for that person but secondary school so not get papadia and then Farabana one educational conference. You want penetrated where on school what dance here and then school can say my to one as another. The person of from can learn it's me from the just quack here and benefit between the one house. A day, say be who you back, the neighbors why MP for the permanent officer. And I had a district for Sabay and tell me a man, and a man comes here and Sakapa mosquito nets, and be a book in some young pronounce a man who pay that. Someone comes here and come into Baha, and we are the young praise supposed.
Ene ya uti ye head teacher Edema 21 Educational Complex Mr. Felix Yeboa. Na amanibo yen sem trioni samo for ibuati na different santimantemo ebesomye.
Yantoa kasebo no so ani yanyina mu ewo nkran pompure mantem ne yankopie mu ewo Martina abato empesua so na wano ma bedwani eyoniminyamfo Francis Xavier Susu na waye yankopon twidi ampon eso ade a wayado ye pi e de ama asame members omo mansinim so omonyina omomwe na mpuntu entumi nkoso ewo Martina abato empesua so mechele lankwantanan mansinim na chede ode ma wo no no ebi ye street light bobo is mi so say hyiren na ma kronesema kofom eno achi mattresses ya ye nipa ni tritusui omonsa ka bi afiye mo bags of rice omonsa ka football jerseys football we dey see akan wa gopama sui omo bi and afin so jerseys every same ye nyina nim se ho mo ho afahye na ekoso nti ombesi akan omonsa ka mosquito net ntontom dan omonsa ka bi bucket and afin so sika mu odu Ediama assembly members pode tunum and afins ward coordinators omo Martina mensini so monye na omfa mo asebe ya mputudwuma ebetimi akoso wala nkwantanan mensinim na oniminyamfo akirem sem saa na mo pa wotu ni nyina hyehye pa afibia du a na ho mo ho afahye no ekoso a otu ode bo asebe ya adehya wonom edi afahye no wombetumi afili afam kama na wafa saa kwan no so abo asebe ya mpuntu obetumi akoso ewo mra homo afahye no so eguso a ekoso na wo kirem sem baakofo ensa entumi nkata so da mpon yakopon ni de sentina oye san otu san na mo hidi atai eye asrema mesinachi no mu nyina boa na mpuntudwuma etimi akoso wala kwantanan mensin o Martina abato empesu asom na mra oje mre na one nsentwerefo kasa wo mra na oya to ye na doctor susu echirem sem obesum ye ogusu gba adwumaden nanso ono nkwa ntumi nya adwuma nti no edu pempenso ope na bobomaden ade bi ade afa eye asem members ne so efisem ono nkwa ka se obeya woboa enti na Ghana mampeni ewo mi se oyoman mampeni de nanso owo asofo na aboafo mobo na dada adwumaden mum de senti ne oya do yesenko ede ba asem members se beboa na omata de kire mpuntu etimi akoso wala kwantana mensenim oniminyamfo echirem sem yamfantu Ghana fo anim so obekọ so NFM de obeye na ode aboa se beyam empunto betu ebekọ so ewo bana hobo afahye ne todwa o madina ne potem na afi nso adehye o mansenem nso etumi afili FM everysem empunto dwumanti na moto aba na se ono ne krati ase adehye mo madina ne potem empunto dwuma de mufa na kwakra o sa kirem sem ye ka kirem pempen wesi ne pen mense no otemachi pampem enti assembly no so monko so ante ne kino modwuma ne se beyam monso mpunto no toto na bekọ so na munyina mo ho aheha mo oniminya Francis Xavier Susu kasaye no emunchiremu no eni.
The office of Madina MP as part of our what I call Homowo outreach. Once the year comes to an end like this, it's important that we reach out to our communities. And what we're doing today is to ensure that we put together certain items that we can share with assembly members and our ward coordinators for them to go back into the community to affect the communities. As a member of parliament, I believe that these outreaches, which I describe as compassion outreach, they are very, very significant, but you can't do it alone. So that is why leadership is about delegation. So, and if you want to be an effective leader, then you should know how to delegate people to work for and on behalf of the office. For example, His Excellency George Dramani Mahama by himself cannot be in Madina and going around house to house to reach out to people. The ministers of state cannot be in Madina going house to house to reach out to people, but they can do that through their elected representatives. And that's the reason why today we have our presiding member, Honorable Sise, who is here, together with all the 15 assembly members of the Madina Municipal Assembly, the Madina Lankwatana Municipal Assembly, and of course with our government appointees and all the ward coordinators within Madina, so that today we can present to them street lights. We have jerseys, because we know there's a lot of football galas going on around us, rice. We also have mattresses, we have mosquito nets, we have buckets, and then of course some small cash to support the work that they do. And we believe that this should be able to empower the assembly members and the ward coordinators for them to continue to represent the interests of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the reset agenda in their various communities.
Any awoti ye ayos or my Ghana uba udamo ya Madina ono ena ye wano mashi betwani the day do ni from Francis Xavier Susu ena wote ni nken na no si ye pena presiding member edema mense no eye oniminyamfo Abdul Ibrahim Razak ekasa chirim se nani aso na ogina mense no assembly members na nyina na mu ede na se mu odin na se piesie ede ama wono mashi betwani oniminyamfo Francis Xavier Susu sem anamo na watu no ekonkane na to bo mo mode ayo afam de ombeye na akade omo nsa kan omo ye de omo de aye adwumaden ade asom la kwantana mense no ana afiso Madina kurudua no ene nkronkura hodo a ehye Madina asiye.
Ibrahim Abdul Razak, presiding member. So on behalf of the assembly, I want to say thank you to our member of parliament. I want to say thank you to our member of parliament for the support to honorable assembly members. We will ensure that the support that has been given to us goes to the community, and for it to indeed be given to the community, to support the community, and for the intended purpose to be achieved. So on behalf of honorable assembly members, we are grateful to the honorable member of parliament for this initiative. Thank you.
Any awoti ye ono ene waye presiding member edema Madina mense no the day edoniminyamfo Abdul Ibrahim Razak ena mote ne nkan ye nyina we so na yankenka madwen chene bi mfansomo ewo kasebo no so na ye ko Facebook no so am wo fa se master plan adwunya kentampo de aba no ye se o communication officer ewo kentampo no te no kirem say in fact e kasebo no na ni agye ho yipa no enjoy news no pa na yenkoso amadwubaden ensomo my Ghana na ordinance mu odema lawyer Henry na naboache incoming MPP National First Vice Chairman. Samson am wofa say Sandra be kan de aba na wo so ma ya dwo wo fa Nhyiraba ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa hwe live at the free timer free zone. Lumba Super best drinking water e wo Ghana ene ba bia. O say Enquiries de ha adwen pai is becoming too west. Enti yakopon kwaso hu yemabo. Na mpirifon fam na agun akwam na Enquiries say de yakɔ de in fact. Anu de ne ye pam. Bebe yadre yakɔ agropama so sport. DL Power Sport. Me wo fa ase anya tenase. Na tenase pe. Ana koso supporters na dwa. Some players ni mbo no bo. Na ase folk ekwa kwahye kotoko yakopon ya adom efia da pen. Na yakɔ akɔgye Democracy Cup na free kotokofo nsem. Omadwa pa na ansa na no. Dwumadi na nkasa no. Your friend is saying
DL Power Sports.
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
Na kotoko supporters na mo players na mo nya de on. Mongaza.
Bola yenga ya ni heavy. Esa continue ni mkoti ya ni mhwe. Na amsata ya man bola ate kotuacha. What you can see the ball and home answer. What you can catch player ba kumpo. Afa ko over. Body na ya waso na no hwewu. Ehwewu. Enti sabot no. Ebi ni 7 to mbo kotoko. Ebi kotoko na 20 kura no. Amsata woni 7. Masima mo ano.
Asante, Mr. Kasante, what you're going to do, Mr. Kasante, hey, Borike,
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world on HBO pay-per-view, ladies and gentlemen, from Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas, let's get ready to
Me wo fa say Bismarck man biza ya krado. Enko na chairman akwa ba no fa gudie mu sense na meso me ye. E wo kase bo no so Bismarck.
Wo fa Nhyiraba.
Empombo ko de.
Oh Yesu adom bibia boko. Sound so ye.
Ya me adom kakra. Me nhyɛ da anya fit said ye woni mu na but ja Ghana ho donti no. Ye ntumi nkase me ye adwuma nso Ghana fo. Na no kwa asɛm ne say sa wote kotokofo ne nka supporters no. Some so mu press ne nhyɛ da anya de sa. Nti no wo hwɛ a cup no sa democracy cup no say beje.
Has.
Kotokone
has ni de a untimi nka ne sa.
Oh, yetumi nka ne sa say. E man gaza supporters na ba bonte ana de o maka na wanti ni ya na. Almost defenders ne born form say show.
That boys no any player na some names through. Akwa na no jine. You didn't tell us that can be no.
Say seven na waka na ya kure. That is the truth of the matter. It the matter na say adwene hu ni say kotoko team na ngasa nhyɛ da nya papa. Nti o ma hu ni say de ye ba no. De am be lusu match no. Because no kure na akwa na kan ye no. Yes, no kure na kan ye no. Mma yenti ni ye.
Bola yenga ya ni heavy. Sa continue ni mkoti ya ni mhwe. Na amsata ya man bola ate kotuacha. What you can see the ball and home answer. What you can catch player ba kumpo. Afa ko over. Body na ya waso na no hwewu. Ehwewu. Enti sabot no. Ebi ni 7 to mbo kotoko. Ebi kotoko na 20 kura no. Amsata woni 7.
Akwa ba ko na ka say myself
no.
O say omo de ball no ko ase kusua ehwe omoto meaning say omo ye mistake kusua ne bebo enti say omoto omo ase enti omo na me say double
that's when you know ka fans do mu ni abuduro
na mo team say we say mo ko share asofuk e wo mra say GF kra ma ye best player o be man ka enam de bodem wo no kodem against England
Benjamin say the award ne dodo na na
ba ba so na share na me wo fa say na o ha ma adwen kakra ye esibe nso do say number 1 defender but just say do baby na overconfidence na de ba but see no
ekra mo friendly game
ekosi say
mo 2-2
sir
mo ni Swedro Blacks
say Swedro Blacks ni ball no bo pa
oh na Swedro na mo 2-2 na
obo ye good rough so mo ball league ni bia no mafiri
mo bo
na say omo ni kotokoko season ni mo na kosi say so mo she kotoko
o me she kotoko Kumasi
what you say nti no has of folk akona oni na bo 2-2 a e fair results ye nya o ade asame wo fa see wo hwe anim a say na ye weekends say the wa nim na no ne nan e pentem akofie nti no mesrew kaja gum na Ghana for ayekrado
Right, abusuani me mo adwo me ma wakwaba Emra DL 106.9 MHz so Emra so yere agure mu nsem papa esum dwuma di kese esuwe no eya de kan se nme no nse kase asuju a wotie nyina of Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi nka sanso a ana baba so no Adjoa Agyei Sikapa se nwoma sinkunya de ade kan se nme no nse kase no enso esoma afiri kese so fa adusu no besima kadu se mambi se me de agure mu nsem enso ebe so Mike so coach a eye producer on duty on na yetimi ade kan se agure mu nsem no enso so etimi eba na brebia se na meka no efiada su se dia eye wrap up dwumadi na yadi na watwe mu nyina no na se yetimi wrap ne yap na mensem ba akumienu bi egu pono so ene yebetimi abiebie so na afi no wonso a wachichi ne benche wanya kwenya enso abaruam na yedi sankoma na nsentem abeka isa krobia metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko eba nkra ha be ye pre-season na after say omone we no enso so Accra Lions sebo sa big game ni we no opani a ye friends Eric Tinkler head coach adema krobia metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no odi nkomo dodo na wase na ye pitch awodo a okromu ano mpempi no eya enye nika ana se pitch no enya kra enam so bi ene yakoba nse wo kire Kotoko boys no hawa ene opesa mo bombo na emu ya dem am players ni benya de na so etimi che enam so bi nene ama enema ayeden enso Kotoko team nim enti coach ne se ya pitch a ye yusu okromu ano eno nso so mpempi no enkonka ye ntie ne mra ye ba na yaba homa no so na afi wonso etimi abeche wadwe asu hawa coach ni nkoma wodi ne se Kotoko fans se na mo fan na se football loving fans amu okromu ano se ye ne ye fans na ye ntie rating klan nkoma wodi
it forces the players to behave professionally. Yeah, as I mentioned before, standard of the pitch it might not mean a lot, but massive importance. How are you going to improve a footballer on a pitch like this? You're not going to improve him because he's got to take 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches. Sometimes he's got to take 4 touches, loses the ball, he gets criticized. I can't teach them a lot when we're playing on poor pitches. And the disappointment that they have in their faces, you can see, when they make their mistakes. And a lot of times I can't blame them because of the standard of the pitches. So that's something we're working hard at the Asante Kotoko to have a training pitch that is of a high standard, high quality. You create that, players will enjoy training a lot more. Players will enjoy football matches a lot more, and they'll feel less pressure when they're playing on those type of pitches, and that's one thing that I think is lacking in Ghana and needs to improve. Other countries, Ivory Coast, pitches are very good. Tanzania, pitches are very, very good. Morocco, pitches are exceptional.
Eric Tinkler, head coach, Adema Metema Krobia, Kumasi Asante Kotoko na wade sankomo we etu jani ama hudo matwe nwe hye wade bi twa yem papa wase nei uko Ivory Coast amu pitches dodo na ye good. Tanzania mamu pitches awdo pina e sanso na nei uko Morocco dia anze na nsentema CAF enso so edi souvenir by open pitches awdo e Africa ha omonso so CAF standard ya approve ya Morocco na lead 16 South Africa to so 13 just everything class sem ekoban se players amusi aka okromu a pitches full say pitch tan just yamfa mo bra e wo football na sem pempi on bobo so a ebede na kire a wo kire mo football na se tactics no boys no so ebetimi enya na Kumasi Asante Kotoko nso we anka ba bi o madu no anka omunya mo am training facilities and as training grounds anka ensino omo nso sebi wase o mada papa esan se club cassette se Kumasi Asante Kotoko na munni ade kan se training facilities and as training pitches outdoor monso ma mu players se training o wa na se mo eden no na se yetimi na se no nsema na nwumre na group no so a yema Ghana ni bia kwan se ubetimi afraba homa no so na yedi nkomanti 0534050199 0593406565 fofre bana fe yedi nkomo enso so ewa adwumadi ne so na bibia nso etimi akwankanti ana ubetimi afraba na fe yedi san nkomo no 0534050199 say 0593406565. Hello, good evening.
Fine morning.
Good evening.
Fine morning. About good evening.
Hey, I don't want you for fine morning by this time.
I say what more US.
Okay. We didn't make a seven.
I don't want for them alias Aputo na
Aputo
Africa play.
Aputo my tio, everything clan come out dini.
And the rest of them my farm here papa. Your coach no can so the same Katoponi has or need facilities of better in Ghana had a matter. Your time here is 1911 and 1935. Any stadium plan. And you will coach work as I know. But I talk about Scott, I want to move on Scott behind.
Aputo who also and I need another drop. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Boss Patrol, Dim Baby Akasafi.
Evening. I'm Amore.
My intio.
Yeah. Coach no akasa yepa, yenya coach bia am kan no kwese yanka Ghana football okoyi. Na say coach bia ba open sika agent no. Obe use to players na dia sa omboko na players na pre-plan ade. Nti coach we obe sa ade a yempani fo pe no kora pa ade a nko obe fi ho no na kotoko e won park and now we on training ground. It's not say team za kotoko kwa ko ball a did ko park. E wo dia hu me kai be mensa e time omo ya 1 cd. Ye ska omo nya ye. Kan se si aye ka kotoko e wo ye training ground na bibi ye play. E dia ya supporters be fro pema ye. Na so mpeni fo be di. Nti coach no na ne o ka no. Sa na be no. Nti na players ni prepare me be no. Na match na omo bo ana so mba wonder ben. Has no kotoko no.
And on Yami Aduma, in a week, Pepe Okumasi, 28th.
Okay. That's it.
Yes, hello, good evening.
Hello, ma'am, busy.
Baby girl, ben you.
AKA, what up?
Yes. Reginiana.
I said, Davio.
Now I need. Okay.
I said, I'm Jericho.
Okay, my intio.
I'm in the brother now. I can say, no, yeah, I'm doing fine because the American, I can know because I was say, Obia. Anokwe or na waka na like oman yanko yenu nyese yedi nokwe ni sie nti da kana no
Mate Hilda ida say on suit me freba. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Boss ba jodi mbebe Kasafri.
Kasafri Nicola for Kasafri Nation.
Okay, Nico, my into everything clan common.
But coach national waka ne kwe but em se kotoko de da. Ye start say ye pa tenene. And so local coach, no matter me the aqua, no more the Yaji, the league now the other. The coach in the third man is developing their own car because Ocado did pitch in Syria, and they are every night taking down the thing down the China. It is coaching, won't know my Miramasi, Ava.
And Nicholas, Mate Yadasi.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Evening, boss.
Boss, but you're Nimba Kasafi.
But you're from Kojoko, the Kasafi Chairman.
Kojoko, my into. Mukoji nkomoni
bamchoa ide adise yen nana otu omo matia mama yetu yenya yen training ground ya bobo awoso because koto team to koto koni yen de bia ye be training ya na yen hu ya mobombo then teacher has for 1911 mo bobla dia fi etu mobla ofa uni ya ye duma na dia we champion number 1 bye bye.
Yate Kojoko Toko sounds to me for body watching Cheba. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, man.
Yes, you are Dom Nampa Jonesway.
Yamia don't weigh a breath for my and you made a Miss Moore dance so much.
Okay, breath for my into.
Yeah, man, no clear woman say football, almost say no. Yes, for us, football. The part of the say, has a pass or Koboa, play a band pan and the person who chase can walk. Say kotoko so bobola player ben pa na wo say enipa ni tueska akwa akokene se enkrofo a kuta ball passing ni ade wo Ghana halo se omo tutu ne mayie na se omo hwe ye football ni ya papa kiske benye free football mu no enye easy nanso ye enkrofo e da bia sika omo botom kwa ne nyom. And say football, there be a question. It's in a name. Who can say na? One day, we are the Bekasa. I'm on my Ghana. Of our winter.
Mate, Mr. Fumiada, I say on suit me for hello, good evening.
Good evening, maybe say.
Maybe it's Kaswa.
Patron.
Maybe I'm going to
Yamiadomo.
My intiwe.
Oh, Missy. Ebrano pacho enukre na wako. Disi Ghana de yempe nukre. Nukre ase nukre da wana waka.
why free. Once they say I'm paying for no, GFA ni why for no. Tikedi na draw so nti omo ntimi nti omo ani hwe enkwala no. Jama football no say na yes first. Kotokoni has the ball. Yeah, you cost stadium you hwe. Oh, when I'm the best player, when I'm best, na hwe bi. Na ze na wan. And I go gyina say hwe. Ni nyina so omo sanko omo echi na omo tutu omo niam na football no. Etimi etumpo. Na yeah man e da sen e de na ekọ.
Mavis mama no the ombebo intercontinental playoff inti yana.
Hey, yes baby I do no.
Mo bebo 3 matches account. Anopa me the stories ni inti.
And I ask also na week how.
Na week has ni kotoko.
Yo, your best goalkeeper or Icha obi awai.
Yati me ya da sepa so ntimi fe ba ye. Hello, young fine last caller na young fancy. Good evening.
Man bize.
Champion ma weni.
Sakodi ni.
Okay, Sakodi.
Now she me kasa fit ma come to 11.
Anyu me enti.
Man bize one say first pass Kotoko ne house. E ka say disaster ni see e na enfo na na enye Kotoko ne house. Emra stadium disaster ni see e na. Enti say football no say no ma say no. Ene sikadie ena coach no ne oka no so no oka no kra pitch no. Ese ayi your friends asante hine. Epe asante yantam no si stadium o si pitch need one e de makotoko obehu senior players ebe rush abe bokotoko ntimuni nyamenya adwuma
Sakwadi ye da sepa nti abusuan yamfa dwumade ni nyina ensi yanda Lumba nsupa ase abrano brand be transfer mutimi kwemo a omo no so yase ama de agudi mu nsem ebra o dwumade kese so Mike say o coach a producer on duty on Korean and you joining show no like Facebook and YouTube ne so what the videos ni images ni nyina so etimi eso me the best market do say we betimi afrem man be say team ni nyina kan be Mr. Kwame Afum Kenan Tato Buraman Jesse Michael Awina Afempo no odi sika brand nti yanuanu nyina kan bi na yesi nkonya na so ye gemre ewo nwenu nsia kase dwumade ne so de agudemu nsem ebro na Michael obeboam na ye yisa be de we afi na afi ya so dwumade nso we efri miami nua be ma manase came ana ho ana osi yamfa konya we sunan ya wehye Michael Amufa dodo na afa na akwada maku ana se player gagai enti player gagai na eyo wawoda abusuani nyina ene ubenya Estika Junior Priscilla Mauto Adepalenda ena nuanom ne abusuani nyina se yamfa konya we sunan ma wawoda pa enti nyankopon won hira na onto nkwana ma fe dwumade bia wodi no so no nyankopon o ma onye hira wo football career no yesi nyankopon so ma de bon nkonka na fe contractor eye lucrative pa Madrid ne mbasa bi na ye buja si nyankopon se o ma rise to na fe onso timi be di dwuma na tebusu nyina nim ti Michael Amofa player gaga nyankopon onhia happy birthday we efike manane abusuan ne adofo nyina wona se yemfa ma na fe no wenso so eye Musa K Asuman ene ekopiem enso of Finlander NDC organizer no oprinyame adom da ochena na saa dwumade no nso ebetodwa ewo Finland enti Musa K Asuman ye nyina anase Asuman ye nyina yes re mo amukwa akoto aban delegate ni se mukwa muhu Musa K Asuman bema ni munyamfo da screen so a memfa aban nkotim ba bia yes re menkotim ni mienu wo de ba bia ayi na yi ni wona tim ni nchange ba akopɛ oye perfect manner onu nso betimi aboa adwuma na mamo papa panti Finland mo amu nyina delegate nyame adom ochena mo kɔto aba no NDC dim na wo gina nti yasra mo mokwa montoma Musa K Esumanti ono na anwumre yedi na nkomo nti Michael yamfa dwumade nsi Sam J Bakri ewo Madina manya nti ese wo monitor dwumade no ana bema ya Mo Sadik bema ya ono nso se wo monitor na La Jos collection mami chala Jos pa ye heavy pa ana afi Mr. Rita nso otema kom to 2 ono nso monitor Mr. Itman nyume mami chao na ese mami ton kan so ye heavy pa nti wofa anwumre ya gude mu nsema na kame ye fi sister we efia Asankoma Peterson or tema on for DLFM ndi agrokra na nyume mensa kan message. Good evening boss, you looking good. Yes inti efia Peterson meda sepa onso ye heavy party zigi dia on person de mbeba ni nyinam na bia one day na wasan me location na me a me ne Michael aba why se zigi mfa me ma me ne Michael beba why inti efia me yanchia inti wafa mama me mfa onsi
wawie edi dina se zigi no ekọ eho
se sister ndi o sinke yemra akase zigi beka se Bismarck yanko
se enye ba bia na se wo de wadanfo ko
onipa na invite yes yemra zigi nenim ho
se onu so nim de enti onfa onko onipa se nim se zigi no nim ye se ne se de wo nim ho
se me na aka ni sa
na de enti na onfa onko yi
na zigi mini ni san ya di efie se ya
onu nim ese ne se de wo nim no
eni anko de ase baby shi o
se so ka je say the weekend sa de eja se de wo nim no enti no sa na de na ya na
is na agenda ndan
enya de obedru fie mo hwehwe na mo
onu fie se
na ye be kidnap
ifie de yanko adabraka kwasi plat be kasa adabraka debi ondo ifie ewa na ye tie na Friday debi baby
next week mum na minya sure so be do fie
ewa de ho
next week de nkomo bia metete wa chiro next week don do fie me
ana mo be na watu afa me wofa
ana nya next week
wow
na bize mi nkomo kakra na biye
na sika ede na ekosu
nkomo ni twama so Adjoa na wi wani atu nche wa yi
na sa de yes sa na tie efi wo so be kase woni mo we say
next week mini agenda bia
da be ana next month mu nkomo na make say etwama so
best ma ko so de woni mu na me ka ho ase mesra opi ohu
say nyina no ne
radio so ne yete no nya abotre radio so ne yete no
Adjoa come agum na esa na wi wani Adjoa ntia da be next month ana
probably next month
okay anyway sad yet say no for waja tum say nya de minim na mekan
o say
Adjoa anya confirm say next
you any man no you any man ente wo de say wa wi o soroko wa ma ya chekra ko na awoda ba ko mienu wa me monitor na yen so na ye bre na nya so ane sa na yen fa kase bo na nyina ma wieye na awoda edikan no we ekọ de ma me wo fa sa na de pressure akua ejiba na we efri Bismarck wi afe na wo chirim say ni papa ni onte ne huja akura ne kanchema no na twede ya mpo Nyankopɔn be sɛ ya dom na doye de ya fe ba ko aka na de nyina na dofo onte ne huja pressure akua ejiba anwo fedua ya minhira wate na onye okese ompeja mfra domo kwa domo enkwa tenten ene wonyine kire na numre yesere de amawo yempa bo nyane sɛ ɔne Nyankopɔn de wahye ase no ɔmfa nkwa wie yepa ɔmmɔ kudimde kwanto wanimum no abra bo nyina enye dwodwo emfa mam bibia da wabɔ ho mpa Nyankopɔn mmɔde ntiw no ma wani suade hunu nyina emre mu wei efru dɔfo ne de Bismarck wi afe no se yemfa woda soronko ema wo be wafa se wudin de pressure akua ejiba ya mention wa woda no wanya ne soronko kura na birthday twato no ekɔ de ama me wafa se ne de Empress Nelly ene ne Nyankopɔn de afe ba ko de aka won fe hom na senior man himself oye DJ na kane no oye adwuma de ma Kingdom 107.7 FM ewa krabopre tem siashi ne wochirim say ene Nyankopɔn de afe ba ko aka afe hom into opawasem yipa twidi yampo Nyankopɔn a wo hira obi ntumi nane yani no ɔne Nyankopɔn wo hira ba ko ne wo hira pem no ene numere no ɔmfa na ba se kase ne nto so na ompegyawo ɔma wo yenhira ema wade hye wabusua ne ɔma nyinam ne mpa ebo ne say ɔno Nyankopɔn a ɔbɔ kwanto ba bia kwanna no ɔmmɔ kwampanto wanim ne yedi kwan enhwe wakira kwan happy birthday to you mo fa se ba wuden e the Empress Nelly ya menhira opini wa woda no ɔnyene nsonko kura we every DJ sorting formerly of Kingdom 107.7 FM mprempen de owo station ye wo ye friend se Madina he newly station ni Luta I think say 102.1 e wono po adwumaden enti happy birthday to you mo fa se menhira wa woda no ɔnyene nsonko kase bɔ ne de asi emusebufo ne ye Miss Mabel antwene se mu ma yen me wafa se makese e de piem wo Facebook NF yiti makase bonom wonya bi ehwe yem eno wachi DJs gibi echinchim kese frem fo madusumia ni mre akenkanfo ye banu tu edi amejo so ye wofa o se ade ye do one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mautedin ene bantwere bonana otafri jamene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
sade mu ne mu no Adjoa Agyei Sikapa ene eye weekends enti peninsa abobdi jaja kwa enya no kwa emre bi atwam na yanwum we na wiase nyina di anyim Sikapa so de manadofo nyina yema mu nyina mo ene tia adehye
didi na